Of reckoning. The organizational elections are an opportunity for the Congress to reassess its leadership. So this moment, the moment of the organizational elections, is an opportunity for the Congress party, so that for, it is an opportunity for that party to reconsider its plan and examine everything. The Congress has set the ball rolling for the organizational elections in a period of great uncertainty in the party. Now, at present for the Congress party, the organizational elections are taking place, and uh, and this time is not actually good for them, because at this time there's a lot of uncertainty happening in the party, because all the things are not going well. Mr. Rahul Gandhi had left his post, so everything is not good in Congress right now. The Central Election Authority of the party hopes to have a session of all India Congress Committee by February 2021 that will elect the Congress Working Committee and possibly a new president. So, the Central Election Authority of the party. So the Central Election Authority of the party, it hopes to conduct a meeting which will discuss the plans until 2021, and hopefully they could also come up with a new president of the Congress party. The post of the president has been vacant for Rahul Gandhi, resigned in the aftermath of Lok Sabha election debacle in 2019. So in 2019, Mr. Rahul Gandhi was the president of Congress party, but because of a debate with Lok Sabha, he had unfortunately resigned, and his place was given to Sonia Gandhi. Sonia Gandhi filled in as his interim president, but the leadership vacuum has aggravated the morbidities of party since then. Even though Sonia Gandhi took his place, and also she was on interim, means she was only temporary, and even though she was an interim president who was ruling the party, the things have not going good. Have not been going good, as Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who has some leadership qualities, has left. In an extremely difficult political environment, the party has been drifting aimlessly and rudderless. So during this time, this party is having a very bad time. So the author said that it has been drifting aimlessly, means there's no proper leadership for the party right now. It's going in every way. It did not set a goal, and even if it did, it's not following it properly. Its performance in the recent Bihar election was abysmal, made stark by the fact that Mr. Gandhi chose to go on a vacation in the midst of a campaign. So its recent performance in the state of Bihar, in the elections, it was abysmal. Abysmal means it was very bad. It was poor. It was very poor, and and uh, and and that is the reason why Mr. Gandhi went on a vacation in the middle of a campaign or election. Earlier, it lost power in Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh, and almost lost in Rajasthan. So before it lost in Bihar and gave a poor performance in Bihar, it already lost into other states. Um, it is There are Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka, and the third one is Rajasthan. I mean, they did not lose there, but they almost lost. So this year has not been going well for the party Congress. It should catch up. The edifice that held the party together from 2004 to 2014, when it was in power at the center, has crumbled. So, when the Congress was ruling India, or when it was the ruling government from the period of 2014 to 2014 continuously, it actually had a good cooperation between its members, and it was a pretty good party. But right now, the things are not same, as we can see, and the things have aggravated. Um, Even the personnel that reinforces it are moving out, with Pranab Mukherjee and Hamid Patel out of the picture, and Manmohan Singh and A.K. Antony and Mrs. Gandhi herself old or weak, the party is staring at an unsettling end of an era. So even the people who started the Congress party, who reinforced it, means who gave it support when the party needed help, all people like those have been moving out, And even the people who are present in the party after they have left, like Sonia Gandhi, are old or weak, and they do not have and they do not have those many uh, proper leadership qualities as Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Many leaders of the party have begun to air their concerns publicly. So many leaders of the Congress, they're trying to say everything on air, means they're saying everything openly to public on media. They have not yet challenged the leadership of the Gandhi dynasty, but it is now entirely possible that they will. So after Mr. Rahul Gandhi left, they still did not occupy his space properly. So now they should occupy his space properly. Otherwise, Congress will have even more bad situations. Dynastic leadership is never desirable, but Mr. Gandhi has added to the party's woes by being an uneasy heir. So Mr. Gandhi he should not let the party he should not let the total party down only because of him, and he should take care of the party by refusing to hold office and seat control at the same time. Mr. Gandhi has concerned the Congress into a gridlock. So Mr. Gandhi, he did two things. He left the hold of the office, means he resigned from the post as president, um, and seed control and city control at the same time. He also left the control of the Congress party, and he also resigned as the president at the same time. So both of these clearly says that Mr. Gandhi left the Congress party to fall into a gridlock, means a deadlock, a dead end. Organizational elections could be an occasion to breathe some life into the party. So at least in these organizational elections, they should win so that they could get a relief. It will also be an opportunity for the party to re-examine the role of the Nehru Gandhi dynasty. And even if they win, it's a very good news because they can re-examine everything about their plan until 2021, as I said before. The dynasty's ability to function as a glue that binds conflicting personalities and thoughts has weakened along its capacity to mobilize voters across the country. So before 6 years, I mean the period from 2004 to 2014, it had a very glue. It had a very good glue between the members of the party. Good glue means that a good bond or a good cooperation or a good understanding between the members of the party. But right now, the members are not having such a good glue or good bond with themselves. So as a result, the party itself is not having a good time. Mr. Gandhi's lament that his hands are tied by the old guard of the party is no longer valid as an excuse for inaction. So, Mr. Gandhi means Mr. Rahul Gandhi. He has been saying that I can't do anything. I can't do anything. This is a very tragic thing, and so I'm sorry that I am of no help. Then the Congress party has said that those excuses are no more valid, and you should come into action right now. Even after an overhauling of the organization, the Congress will have a long way to travel to get into fighting shape. So even if the Congress party is organized and well settled, it cannot retain its position, its powerful position which the party had before a certain time immediately. It should fight its way up to there, and at last it will get its original form, the fighting form. At any rate, Mr. Gandhi should not hold the party hostage to his indecision. The organizational election is a moment of reckoning for the Congress and the dynasty as its helm. So, as I said before, Mr. Gandhi should not let his carelessness be the defeat of his party. And also, the organizational election. This should be a moment for the Congress party to re-examine everything and plan everything for the year 2021. How the party manages its course from now on will have larger implications for national politics. It cannot allow itself to define merely by its opposition to the by its opposition to the BJP party, and must formulate and articulate an alternative, inclusive and egalitarian vision of India. So the Congress party in India is a very famous party, and it's most famously known for a opposition party for BJP. Now the Allah says that it shouldn't just be defined as a party who opposes the BJP party. Even that's great, and that's not sufficient. It should define itself as an in an articulate manner, means a loud and clear manner, in a proper manner, and it should come up with a plan that could be agrarian, which means that its plan should contain some political philosophy in it, and it should come forward with such a plan and confidence, so that it will not be just merely defined as the opposition of the party BJP. Thank you.